My spirituality is probably, people don't hear me talk about this much because they think I'm a really material guy, but I'm actually a very, very spiritual person. I always have been, I've always been searching, I've always been interested. I'm interested in that. See, my dreams are mine. They're innate to me. They're not my mom's, they're not my dad's, they're not my brother's, they're mine. So I believe by pursuing that, I am pursuing my discovery of my spiritual potential. And so my potential is the thing I am so interested in. It's not money, it's not a bigger jet, it's not another more property. It's like I want to discover what I've been given, right? Whatever's in you, that spirit. So whatever God you believe in is not, that's not what, I'm not all trapped into the description of that. Jesus, on board completely, man. Great work ethic, right? Willing to stand up, willing to throw down in the marketplace. But there's some other dudes that have been willing to throw down too, right? A lot of other people on this planet that I don't want to count out the Muslims. And I haven't studied that book, but dude, there's some people there that freaking, that's what I want, the example. I don't need to spend time with a mentor. I need to study a handful of people that have proven over time they were important and that they did something. Walt Disney, he's a mentor of mine. One guy almost went bankrupt 3 times. That is a spiritual adventure. Like, hey man, how do you do that? How do you have a dream? Howard Schultz with Starbucks. I don't like his political viewpoints, but I do like the fact that everybody told him Starbucks was a bad idea. He's like, yeah, okay, well, whatever, it's a terrible idea. Steve Jobs, total maniac, like neurotic. I wouldn't do any of that stuff, but I do like the guy's ferocious commitment. So if I can rob those pieces from different people, right, and say, hey man, I want to be more like that guy or that gal, right? So you know what I'm saying? Like that's my deal. Like, how can I mix it up with Jared? I'm interested in leaving something that lasts longer than I do, which to me is a very spiritual thing to do, by the way. When something lasts longer than your body, that is spirit.